first time, thank you so much guys for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well, and today's reaction is going to be very interesting because this is neither an MV reaction nor a compilation reaction. This is a trailer reaction. Basically, this is the debut trailer for the new group which is going to debut soon. This is ENHYPEN, and they have put out 2 trailers. They are under big hit labels, and I know that this group was formed because via a reality show Island. I did not follow that show, so that's why I do not know the member names, and I know they are on Weverse as well, but I have not really checked them out, but I'm really now interested to find out about them because I definitely want to be part of a K-pop group debut. That'll be really interesting. That's going to be like a first for me, and the fact that they are under big hit labels makes me very, I don't know, some sort of connection to them, because I generally started standing K-pop because of a group which is under big hit labels, that's BTS. And I do not know if knowing big hit, I probably am guessing that they might have a storyline of theirs. Now I do not know if they're gonna like crisscross, because I know that the BU universe and the TXT universe are a crossover universe. So I do not know if the same concept will apply to ENHYPEN as well. Let's see. I'm really excited to check out both the trailers. I'm gonna first check out the debut trailer 1, Chosen, and it's going to be really interesting to see what kind of concept they put out. So I'm guessing this is going to be like they are part of the 4th gen group only, right? Like TXT, they're also like the 4th gen K-pop group which is going to debut. So yeah, without delaying this any further, let's react to debut trailer 1, Chosen by ENHYPEN. Yes. Oh!
We were desperate.
Oh, I know for a fact that the fandom is called Engine.
In our desire to
I know
transform,
that.
we believed that they lay dreams unknown.
Oh.
Because every path is stained with tears. We keep our fist fiercely clenched, not knowing to be a blessing or a curse, lest we lose what we hold in our hands.
Oh my god, is there going to be a horror theme to this? This looks like a horror kind of a theme. Let's see.
Blood red moonlight blazes, unquenchable thirst
Werewolf thing?
flares with fury.
Werewolf theme,
Fathers look up
I'm
to
in.
us in veneration,
Us.
and we look upon them with envy. Why do we desire what we cannot acquire? Why must we walk alone an endless line? At dawn, the sun rises.
The fact that this trailer is in English. Wow.
To menace
Okay.
and bless our fleshy selves.
Oh, I think this is like a werewolf theme. Horror kind of werewolf. It could be horror or werewolf. Okay. I know it's a 7-member group. Oh, wow. Oh, they're gonna debut in November? That's awesome. That is really awesome. Okay, so that was interesting. Chosen. So I think I see a lot of parallels. Firstly, the visuals give me a feel there's like this jungle. They are mostly the visuals. I saw them in jungle, and it sort of gave me the feeling of a vampire-ish kind of theme, maybe vampire, werewolf, that kind of theme going on, but I don't know, let's see. Or it could be a horror theme. Another thing which was very interesting are like the 2 parallels, like mortal, immortal, light, dark, something like that. Then there was success and failure. So they are talking about 2 extreme. Like here also the trailer name is Chosen. So it's like 2 extreme. when we talk about choose, it's like you do not know, you're not chosen at all. You have to choose and a decision needs to be made. And then it says chosen, where the decision is already made. You are chosen, so that's like the final. So it's like from start to end. I don't know, I see this parallel. Like, you know, there are two parallel things going on. So maybe there is like a parallel theme which is going on with them, like them having two personalities or them being in two parallel universes. It could be anything. But yeah, let's see if the second trailer is also sort of connected or not. That'll be interesting to find out. And I'm really sorry about the background noise. There's some construction going on, so I apologize in advance for that. See, now the second debut trailer is Dusk Dawn. So this is like two opposites, two extremes. They're talking about two extremes, like mortal, immortal, two extremes. You know, success, failure, two extremes. Choose, chosen, dusk and dawn. I'm getting that theme. Oh, this is gonna be really interesting. Really interesting. Okay, let's start with debut trailer 2, Dusk and Dawn. Again, I'm seeing that there's a jungle theme here. Oh, wow. I'll find out their names before their debut. But this has such a dark undertone to it. Was I right? Do you think it has a vampire kind of a theme? See, blood. Oh my god. Oh, this definitely has like vampire werewolf feels. I was sort of right, I think. Like a bat. This is really interesting because if they are going for like a vampire werewolf theme, probably then I'm guessing or a light and dark theme, like with the visuals directly you can make out that yes, and they are in the jungle, so it could be like a vampire werewolf theme, but it could also be like a light versus dark theme where probably they are scared that when nightfall happens they get possessed by some sort of like a demon, because you know, you see that blood, they're sucking on the blood and all. I don't know, this looks very interesting, and I think this is going to be also a storyline is what I'm getting the feeling of, but I feel Enhypen universe is probably going to be a completely separate universe. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Who is the leader in Enhypen? See, now it has and it has all become now colorful. Oh, I'm interested. I'm so happy. I am so happy I'm going to be part of their debut. I'm definitely going to check them out. I'm absolutely going to be following them. I'll probably start following them in Weverse now, because right now the only group that I follow is BTS, and I do not follow any other group. I know there are so many groups. 17 is also there in some other group called G Friend. I have to react to them. Both of those groups. TXT, yes, TXT is remaining because I really want to get into TXT now, and because I know they have a storyline going on. There's so much content in K-pop, guys. Okay, fine. Anyway, about these trailers, I find the storyline very interesting. I like the werewolf, vampire-ish, ghost, demon, angels kind of themes. I really like those running themes. But this looks like this completely looks like, you know, because them being in a jungle. So I think they have they become werewolves or vampires at night probably. Let me know what are your theories. Do you think this is going to be a crossover universe with TXT and Bangtan universe? Because here I feel they have supernatural powers. They have supernatural powers here also, and even I am guessing in TXT universe also the members have some sort of supernatural powers, because in Bangtan universe Jin has supernatural powers, like he's a time traveler, even though it's a very realistic take on issues where he's trying to save his friends, but it still has that supernatural element, right? So I don't know, but I feel the supernatural element is much more prominent in this universe, in ENHYPEN. So I am really interested to see where this is headed. I feel the entire theme of the album is going to be very dark. I do not know if the music that was playing here in the background is part of their song or part of their album list or set list or not. Let's see. I'm really excited for their debut. Do we have a date of their debut? Please let me know, because I have not researched it. So yeah guys, that was my reaction on the two trailers of ENHYPEN. All the best to this group. I wish them all the best for their debut, and because they're debuting and their album is going to release, I think I might do an album review for ENHYPEN as well. Let's see. I'm thinking about it. Probably I'll end up doing it. So yeah guys, that was it from me today. I hope you enjoyed the reaction. If you are a K-pop lover, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.